I run a lab named Mourya Diagnostic, which is an NABL accredited lab for past 25 years. So we switched on LiveHealth for like around 2 years, I think, 2 years or 2.5 years. So the major advantage is like it's a very seamless system. What I like about the system is like I can see everything on my computer screen, how much the revenue is being collected, which doctor is sending how much patient, is there something is to be looked at. When you have the integrated system, then the chances of human error is less. So all these things have helped me to increase our productivity in the lab, put in less man hours. This has helped us to grow, and it is also helpful in the patient part because we have taken their app and all, we have customized it. So we are hoping that this will help our patients to get their report at one place. And also it will give us an edge over other people.